Hello dear students, I hope you saw my last video and enjoyed the activity of making shape with the help of clay balls and matchsticks. Today we are going to learn about 3D shapes. After watching this video, you will be able to classify solid or 3D shapes based on its features. Yes. So before we start, let us know what are solid shapes. What is the difference between 2D and 3D shapes? So basically, solid shapes are the shapes of the objects which occupy space. Whereas when we talk about 2D shapes, those are the shapes which never occupies any space. Like here we have a cube as a 3D shape. Then we have cuboid, we have sphere, we have cone, and we also have cylinder. These are all 3D shapes which always occupy some space. Let us know further about these type of shapes. Let's see. Or solid shapes, it has two types of faces. First is flat face and second type is curved face. Before we know the type of these two faces, let us know what is a face. So, the side of these different shapes are known as its faces. For example, here is a cube which has this, all the sides are flat. This looks very similar to cube, but this is not as same as a cube. Though it has 6 sides like a cube, but the sides are not equal. In cube, all the 6 sides are equal, whereas in cuboid, opposite sides are equal. Let's move on to our third shape, that is a sphere. Sphere, can you see any flat face here? Correct. Sphere does not have any flat face. So, what is another type of face? We have another type as curved face. So, always a sphere has a curved face. Next 3D shape is a cone. Now, cone and our last solid shape, that is a cylinder. Both the shapes have both the types of faces. That is, it has flat as well as curved face. Let's see how. This is flat face of a cone, whereas here is its curved face. In our last solid shape, we can see there are two flat faces and one curved face, which is denoted by C here. Let's see about cuboid. All the sides are flat. So, I am writing F for flat. And in sphere, we always have a curved face. I think it is little difficult to understand this concept by simply looking at this diagram. So, I have made some models to make you understand this concept. So, students, I have made these models to help you understand the concept of solid shapes in a better way. Let us see what is a cube with the help of this model. This is a cube. Yes, this looks like a box. This has 6 sides. First side, second side, third side, fourth side, fifth side and this is the sixth side. So side is nothing but a face. So our cube has 6 faces and all the 6 faces are of equal size. So cube has only flat faces which has equal faces all around. Then second we have cuboid. For cuboid I have used your color box. You can see this. Now the basic difference between cube and cuboid is, here in cube we have all the sides equal, whereas in cuboid opposite sides are equal. For example, this side and this side are equal. This side and this side are equal. This side and this side are equal. So this looks like cube, but this is not a cube. This is a cuboid, because here in cuboid we have opposite faces equal. And again cuboid also has only flat faces. Then we move on to sphere. This I have made using clay. This is a clay ball. Can you see any flat face here? Correct. No. So sphere never has any flat face. It only has a curved face. Next we have cone. Now cone and this is your cylinder. These are the two solid shapes which have the property of flat faces as well as curved face. For example, this is a curved face, whereas you can see this is a flat face. So cone always have flat as well as curved face. Let's see cylinder. Now cylinder, you can see this and this. These are the flat faces, whereas this orange part is a curved face. So now I think it is easy for you to understand the concept of solid shapes, different types of faces of solid shapes. Few have only flat faces, some have only curved face, whereas some have both the properties, that is flat as well as curved face. So children, I think this is very well understood what is a solid shape. Now you can say the ball with which you play every day is not a circle, it is a sphere, because it is a 3D shape or it is a solid shape. The ice cream which you eat in cone, this has two types of faces, one curved and another flat. I hope you understood this concept very well. Thank you for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe.